Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and initial overview of the Spigen cases which I have ordered for my new S23 Ultra. I have ordered multiple cases actually, and I generally prefer a full case, a full rigid case, apart from some gaps, or this device, this device has a 5 lens cutout, right? So there are 3 lenses one by one and 2 lenses besides, and there is a flashlight. So many of the cases, what they are doing is they are just cutting it out full box, which I don't like. I was searching for a individual lens cutout case, and a much more durable case, and much more efficient, strong, supports wireless charging. All these parameters led me to purchase these 3 cases, and among these 3 I'll be finalizing one case which I'll be using as my daily driver. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, here are the 2 cases which I ordered for my new phone. These are Caseology by Spigen. So these cases specifically, they have cutouts, individual camera cutouts, and hence I prefer to have these cases. Apart from the regular Spigen cases, which the cutouts were not fully individual. They had a connected cutout kind of thing. So let's first unbox this. Let's see, actually this is Galaxy S23 Ultra Nano Pop case. It's called as Nano Pop case, and this is how it looks. There's a bill and all. I haven't just removed it. These cases are slightly on the costlier side, guys. But these provide ultra extreme durability, plus wireless charging, plus all kinds of support basically. So considering that part, it's kind of a one-time investment. So you have this. This is something from Caseology. Make a difference. This is the case, guys. You can see they have this pattern, spiral pattern, and there is a grip. There is a good grip here. If you can see the dots, let me focus a bit more. Yeah, so you can see there is a good grip. Buttons, nice. Camera cutout, and this is polycarbonate, and this is a smooth mesh like a TPU, and there is a logo here. Individual cutouts for all, and for this S Pen there is a slight hinge like that. Nothing on the right side or the left side, whatever you call it as. Let me get my phone. I haven't turned it on yet, so this is how and it will look like in the phone. Actually, first let's unbox the other one as well. I purposely bought 2 so that I can see which one looks better. I'll just put everything aside like this. I'll keep this here. Now, let's keep this here. Now let's unbox the other one. This is again the same Caseology case by Spigen, but it's a different model. It's called as Parallax S23 Ultra Parallax, and you can see the design is slightly different. I personally like this design actually, and this Nano Pop is kind of a simplistic case, very simple looking case, but this is slightly on the good looking case. It's like classic versus something eye-catching. Whoa, as you can see, just look at the case. There are 3 different materials actually. Something is used here. Again, you have this individual cutout. Then this has this bulges 3D print is there. Then there is a Caseology band here. This looks premium. Again, the same material is used, which is used here, and this is how it is. And again, the same spiral. These spirals are provided for protection, guys. So these are the 2 cases. So in this, basically you get this camera highlight, but it's plain simple. And in this case, you have this type of design, which is like a eye-catching. This is like a classic plain, and this is like an eye-catching thing. I personally like this one more, but let's see actually. Let's put it from this side so that the buttons go in. Easy slide. Alright, this is how the phone looks like. Cutouts are very well, buttons are very tactile, and you have the slot for S Pen perfectly fine. This is like a classy phone, as you can see. Nice cutouts, nice rings. It looks really good. Let's remove this one now. And let's put this. It just slides in, but it is so hard, as you can see. Now if you see this, it looks something else totally. The cutouts are slightly gone maybe, but very minor, very picky. But this looks, actually one thing I am noticing is this edge is sharp because they have added these lines here. So when I'm holding it like this. This is not done properly. This edge part is not done properly. Here and here, the edge part are not done properly. Also, I got one more case. This I got delivered recently. It's actually hard. Yeah, come here, let's store it from here. This is it's again Caseology Spigen case, but this is Athlex, the version. Basically the cover name is Athlex. So initially, just before this, we saw Parallax, which is here. This is Parallax. Then we saw Nanopop actually, that seems to be quite kind of a old style code, so I actually not using it. But this is Athlex. This seems to have good pattern at the back and not compromising on the strength and durability. Again, same thing. Again, the spiral, and this is hard, and the protection is very nice. The cutouts are very nice actually. And here you have a grip, proper meshy grip. Let me focus. Yeah, this is a proper meshy grip you have here. And the material, this is actually one of the, how would I express, actually I don't know, but it's like a mesh material, and it is very nice, looks good. Again, the cutouts and all are perfectly intact, and this whitish thing is here as a cutout. It's nothing like a wallet or something, it's just a show. And here it highlights the camera. So I like this actually. It looks similar to Nanopop, but it is bright, and it is the blacks and grays or the whites are very deep basically. So let's put this here and let's see how this looks. All right, awesome. This is how it looks, guys. Very nice. Everything is intact. I think this looks better than this. This is total black, and with this, one problem I was facing is here these are sharp. These edges here and here, these are sharp, and here I think for my version there is slight roughness here, so it was bothering me. So mostly I won't be using even this case. I'll go ahead with this, and I'll be using this Athlex not Snapdragon, sorry. This is Caseology Spigen Athlex case for S23 Ultra. So we have tried 3 cases, guys. One is Parallax, one is Nanopop, and one is Athlax. And Athlax seems to be very good. The blacks are good. Actually, this black and this black is of the same color, if you can see. And the Nanopop was like a dullish color, so I thought not worth keeping it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in next. Wanted to see if it wobbles. It doesn't wobble also. It's very good, guys. Actually, these cases are very good, frankly. The grip is very good, the protection is very good, and even the look is very good. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. This will be my default cover most probably, and see you in next video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, guys, and do consider the Spigen and Caseology cases for your phone. These are very durable. They support wireless charging if your phone supports wireless charging. There are MagSafe options as well. There are stand options as well. There are some options where you can attach multiple accessories like wallet, like a credit card holder, like multiple things you can check out. And sales are going on, guys. Freedom sale is going on. There are multiple sales are going on, so do check out these options and get the best one for your phone. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in next video, and till then, take care.